vectors exercise 10.4 question number 1. Find a modulus of A cross B if A bar B bar given. A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant first row ijk, second row the components of A bar 1 minus 7 7 and 3 minus 2 2 expanding is equal to I into which is minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 7 into 2 minus 14, okay, minus j into which is 2 minus 21 plus k into which is minus 2 minus minus 21, that's equal to 0i plus 19j plus 19k. Modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to root of 0 plus 19 square plus 19 square, that is root of 2 into 19 square, which is equal to 19 root 2. Okay. Now the second problem. Find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B and A minus B. Okay. So find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B. Let P bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. That's equal to sum of A bar and B bar is 3i plus I, 4i, 2j plus 2j plus 4j minus 2k plus 2k plus 0k. So that is P bar. Now Q bar equal to A bar minus B bar. Now difference of A bar and B bar 3i minus I, 2i, 2j minus 2j, 0j, and 2k minus minus 2k plus 4k. Okay. Now the unit vector perpendicular to P bar and Q bar, n cap equal to P cross Q divided by modulus of P cross Q. So we have to find the cross product of P bar and Q bar. P cross Q is equal to determinant first row ijk, second row 4 4 0, third row 2 0 4, expanding, which is equal to 16 I into 16 minus 0 minus j into 16 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus 8, that is 16i minus 16j minus 8k. Okay. So modulus of P cross Q, modulus of P bar cross Q bar equal to root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square, that's equal to root of 576, square root is 24. Therefore unit vector perpendicular to both P bar and Q bar, that is A plus B and A minus B, is equal to n cap equal to plus or minus P cross Q divided by modulus of P cross Q. Okay. So that's equal to plus or minus P cross Q is 16i minus 16j minus 8k divided by 24. Okay. So that's equal to plus or minus 16 by 24 is 2 by 3, 2 by 3i minus 2 by 3j minus 1 by 3k. Okay. Now question number 3. If a unit vector A bar makes angle pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and an acute angle theta with k cap, then find theta and hence the components of A bar. Okay, a unit vector a bar makes angle pi by 3. Let a bar equal to unit vector a bar. Let a bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk, so that since it is a unit vector, x square plus y square plus its z square is equal to 1. Okay, now this a bar makes an angle pi by 3 with I cap. So cos of pi by 3, angle between two vectors, cos pi by 3 equal to a bar dot I cap divided by modulus of a bar into modulus of I cap. Cos pi by 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to a bar is xi plus yj plus zk dot I cap divided by modulus of a bar is 1 and modulus of I cap is also 1. So 1 by 2 is equal to I dot I. So x into I dot I is 1, j dot I 0, k dot I 0. So x is equal to half. Okay. Now cos pi by 4, cos pi by 4 equal to a bar dot j cap divided by mod a bar mod j cap, that is 1 by root 2 is equal to y. Okay, now third case, cos theta is equal to acute angle theta with k, a bar dot k cap divided by mod a bar mod k cap, that is cos theta equal to z. Okay, now x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. Okay, that is x square. X is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Or cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Since theta is acute, so cos theta value is 1 by 2. Okay, so when cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, which implies theta is equal to cos 60. Okay, theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3. Now the components of a bar, therefore a bar is equal to xi, that is 1 by 2 I plus y 1 by root 2 j plus z. Z is equal to cos theta, that is 1 by 2 k. Okay. Next one, fourth one, show that a bar minus b bar cross a bar plus b bar is equal to. So we can apply the distributive property. Distributive properties, first is a cross a cross a, then a cross b, next is minus b cross a, next is minus b cross b. Okay, a cross a is 0 bar plus a cross b minus b cross a is plus a cross b minus 0 bar, so that is 2 a cross b. Okay, now fifth one, find the value of lambda and mu if the cross product is 0 bar. So the cross product of these two vectors is determinant ijk 2, 6, 27, 1 lambda mu, which is equal to 0 bar. Expanding I into 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j into 2 mu minus 27 plus k into 2 lambda minus 6 equal to the 0 vector is 0 I plus 0 j plus 0 k. Now equating the component of j cap, that is here minus of 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0, or 2 mu equal to 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, mu equal to 27 by 2. Okay, now getting the coefficient of k cap, 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 3. Okay, now sixth one, given that a dot b equal to 0 and a cross b is equal to 0, what can you conclude about the vectors a bar and b bar? See, a dot b equal to 0 implies that a bar equal to 0 or 0 bar, or b bar is a 0 vector, or a bar perpendicular b bar. These are the conclusions that we obtained from a dot b equal to 0. Now a bar cross b bar equal to 0 bar implies either a bar equal to 0 bar or b bar equal to 0 bar or a bar parallel b bar. Okay, since a dot b equal to 0 and a cross b is equal to 0 bar, okay, since we are given a dot b equal to 0 and a cross b equal to 0 bar, we have then either these condition, then either a bar equal to 0 bar or b bar equal to 0 bar. These two conditions are not possible at the same time. Okay, then either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Now seventh one, like the vectors a b c are given by a bar is given, b bar c bar given, then show that a cross b plus c is equal to a cross b plus a cross c. So we can start from the right hand side to show that a cross b plus c is equal to a cross b plus a cross c. Okay, so what is a cross? Yes, start from the left hand side. B bar plus c bar equal to, what is b bar plus c bar? B bar plus c bar is b1i plus c1i, b1 plus c1 into I plus b2 plus c2 into j plus b3 plus c3 into k. Now a cross b bar plus c bar is equal to determinant, cross product of these two vectors, determinant first row ijk, second row the components of a bar, that is a1, a2, a3, third row is the components of b plus c, that is b1 plus c1, b2 plus c2, b3 plus c3. Now see the using the property of determinants, third row is the sum of two terms, so this determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants. അല്ലേ, മൂന്നാമത്തെ റോ രണ്ട് ടേമിൻ്റെ സം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ രണ്ടായിട്ട് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത് ijk, ഇവിടെ a1, a2, a3, B1, B2, B3. Here also ijk, here A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. First determinant is A bar cross B bar, and the second one is A bar cross C bar. So A cross B plus C is A cross B plus A cross C. Okay. Now eighth one, either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then A cross B is equal to 0. Is the converse is true? Justify your answer with an example. See, A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar sin theta into n cap. Okay. So if A bar equal to 0, if A bar equal to 0 bar or B bar equal to 0 bar, then A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. Now the converse. What about the converse? Converse means if the cross product of two vectors is a zero vector, then it is not necessary that A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Dot product will control. So the converse is not true. See, if these two vectors are parallel, okay, if we choose any two parallel vectors, but the converse is not true, Okay, let A bar equal to I plus 2j or I plus j. B bar equal to 2i plus 2j. These are two non-zero vectors. What is A cross B? A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant ijk 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0. Okay. That is equal to I into 0 minus 0 minus j into 0 minus 0 plus k into 2 minus 2. That is 0i plus 0j plus 0k. That is 0 bar. That is A cross B is equal to 0 bar. But A bar and B bar are non-zero vectors. So the converse is not true. That is A cross B is equal to 0, but A bar and B bar are non-zero. Okay. Now the ninth one, find the area of the triangle with vertices. Given vertices 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 1, 5, 5. See, OA equal to, position vectors are OA is equal to I plus j plus 2k. I plus j plus 2k. OB equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k, and OC is equal to I plus 5j plus 5k. Now vector AB equal to OB minus OA. So 2i minus I plus 2j plus 3k. Vector AB. Now vector AC is equal to vector OC minus OA. That's equal to 0i plus 4j plus 3k. AB cross AC, vector AB cross vector AC is equal to determinant ijk. Components of AB are 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 3. Okay. So that's equal to expanding I into 6 minus 12 minus j into 3 minus 0 plus k into 4 minus 0. That is minus 6i minus 3j plus 4k. Okay. Modulus of vector AB cross vector AC is equal to root of 36 plus 9 plus 16, that is root of 61. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod AB cross AC, that is equal to half root of 61 square units. Okay. Now 10th one. The 10th one, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by A bar is equal to, and B bar is given, area is equal to half. If the adjacent sides are given, the area of the parallelogram is modulus of A cross B. Modulus of A cross B. So first find A cross B is equal to determinant ijk. Components of A bar is 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7 1. Expanding I into minus 1 minus minus 21 minus j into 1 minus 6 plus k into minus 7 minus minus 2. That's equal to 20i plus 5j minus 5k. Modulus of A cross B is equal to root of 400 plus 25 plus 25, that is root of 450. Okay. Therefore area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram is equal to root of 450 square units. Now question number 11. Let the vectors A bar and B bar such that mod A bar 3, mod B bar root 2 by 3, then A cross B is a unit vector if the angle between A bar and B bar. Okay. A cross B is a unit vector. A cross B is a unit vector implies modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to 1. That is mod A mod B sin theta is equal to 1. Mod A is 3, mod B is root 2 by 3, sin theta is equal to 1. Sin theta 3 cancel, sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, that is theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is pi by 4. The area of the area of the rectangle having vertices A, B, C, D with position vectors are given. So OA, OB, OC and OD are given. OA is given minus I plus half j plus 4k. Okay. And OB, vector OB is equal to I plus half j plus 4k. OC is equal to I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k, and OD is equal to minus I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k. Okay. Then vector AB. So this is the rectangle ABCD. ABCD. Now it is AB. AB is equal to OB minus OA. That's equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. I minus minus I, 2I. Half j minus half j, 0j. 4k minus 4k, 0k. Modulus of vector AB, that is length of this rectangle. Modulus of 2i is equal to 2. Now breadth BC. vector BC is equal to OC minus OB, OC minus OB, I minus I 0 minus J, minus half J minus half J minus J plus 0k. Modulus of this vector BC is equal to 1. Therefore, area of rectangle ABCD is equal to AB, length into breadth, that is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 square units. Okay.